Hi everyone, welcome back to our EV channel. Today we are going to review the Panasonic Smart AC. Recently I have been purchased this Panasonic Smart AC. So you can see here we can change the mode. For example, if you want to turn off, just make it off. So automatically AC will be turned off. You can see here now AC is in off condition, and at the top of the AC also it is indicating that this AC is connected to IoT, where this is called Internet of Things. Okay, and see, and the best feature to buy the smart ACs. So these smart ACs are having multiple features. So whatever the problem we get in the motor or in a compressor or in the fan, everything we can diagnose is through this app. So directly we can connect to the customer care and they can identify the problem without coming to our Google location. So they can completely identify what kind of problem is there in indoor motor or outdoor motor or problem in the compressor. Everything we can just handle it through an online speed. Okay, and whether gas leakage is there or any kind of problem is there, everything we can identify. Okay, for this inverter AC, I had bought an we got inverter stabilizer. The name of this stabilizer is we got Denar, model is ID400. So this is a very compact stabilizer with a new design, and I would like to say what are the smart features in this Panasonic Smart Inverter AC. So we have multiple ACs, and here we go. We have an app. Why this need of buying an smart AC is very important. Let us see here. So this Panasonic Smart AC has an app. So just you can go to Play Store and you can install this app. The name of this app is Mirai AI. Just touch this Mirai AI app and the UI is like this, and it is showing that my Gudur room location and Panasonic AC Gudur. So the temperature is 28 degrees and AC is in on condition. The mode is cool mode, and it shows that. So when you touch this, automatically you get the UI how you have your air conditioner. Same Panasonic AC, temperature of 28 degrees, cool mode, and the fan is low. So here you can adjust the fan speed, medium. So you see here when I touch it, automatically you can see here the performance is also high there, and it is indicating that fan is running with high speed. You can see from the sound. So complete UI you can adjust from here. So you can keep in auto or you can keep in quiet mode. Now in recording mode, that's why I kept in quiet mode. So you have all the modes: powerful mode, eco mode, cleaning. So this AC has an latest feature is humidification. So just all the dust which is accumulated in inner coil can be cleaned by this clean button, and AC display lights, and this has a four-way swing. And the best feature why I buy this AC is, so generally the AC we need to make it on and off number of times. For example, so I turn on the AC at evening 7 o'clock. So after 8 o'clock I'm going to sleep, I have to turn off the AC. So every 1 hour I can make it on and off. So this will create a software pattern. So with this software pattern, what happens is, so we no need to wake up in the night and turn off the AC if the cooling is heavy. So you can set your temperature like this. So for the first hour you require 28 degrees, or the second hour you require higher. Okay, here you can see the button, the power button. If you press this power button, automatically AC will be in on condition, or you can bring it to the temperature whatever you require in the second hour, or you can make the second hour to off. So generally this is the pattern we generally do at night times in sleepy mode, which disturbs our sleep. So but this has a good sleep profile pattern. You can add 1 more hour also. So like this 8 hours you can schedule your sleep in how many times AC should turn on. So first hour it will be 28 degrees and the next hour it will be off. So later it will turn on and it reaches 28 degrees, or if you don't need to turn on, you can increase the temperature to 30. So indirectly you will not feel any chilling, and later it will chill to 28 degrees, and once again you can turn it on, or you can keep it to 22 degrees. So everything you can control. Just do all these things and come back, and you have an profile setting. Just turn on the profile setting. So when you turn on the profile setting, just it will show that and symbol that AC is in on condition. Whether this AC is on or off, you can see at the top Panasonic AC Gudur, and it is showing an green color button. AC is in connected to Wi-Fi. So now, and it shows that profile RAM sleeping profile is applied. So now I no need to turn on and off. Everything the AC will be turned on for the 6, 7 to 8 and 9 to 10. It will turn off, or whatever the temperature we need to set, that will be operated. That's the main feature I observed in this Panasonic inverter AC. And the best feature to buy the smart ACs is, so these smart ACs are having multiple features. So whatever the problem we get in the motor or in a compressor or in the fan, everything we can diagnose is through this app. So directly we can connect to the customer care and they can identify the problem without coming to our Google location. So they can completely identify what kind of problem is there in indoor motor or outdoor motor or problem in the compressor. Everything we can just handle it through an online speed. Okay, and whether gas leakage is there or any kind of problem is there, everything we can identify. Okay, so you can see here we can change the mode. For example, if you want to turn off, just make it off, so automatically AC will be turned off. You can see here now AC is in off condition, and at the top of the AC also it is indicating that this AC is connected to IoT, where this is called Internet of Things. Okay, and coming to this smart stabilizer, generally when you buy an AC, you should not buy an normal AC. This is like an inverter AC. You should buy an inverter stabilizer. There is nothing from the brand I purchased. Inverter stabilizer of the model, we got Denar ID 400. This is very smart stabilizer, and this is doesn't comes with any transformer. This directly comes with electronic stabilizer. So very good attractive design is given, very good operation is there, and the functionality is also very good. So I bought it around 1 month back, and I'm very comfortable with the features basically. So rather than you have a conventional remote like this, then compared to an conventional remote, so this is a conventional remote, it is given to normally, but rather than the app is very good, and we can have a better control also. So that's why we're very happy with this AC behavior. Just I want to give a small review. What is the main advantage of buying an smart inverter ACs? Okay, hope my video had helped you a lot. The main feature I would like to focus is when you have a smart AC. So just you see here now it will show that AC is in online, but we kept in off. Okay, just you turn it on. Okay, as soon as you turn it on, all the mode is controlled. The next feature we have here is the clean button. Just you, before if you want to enable the clean button, just keep it in off mode and automatically clean button will be on just by the press the clean button. When you press the clean button, the compressor starts operating with high speed and it gets solidified here. Okay, so completely ice will be formed. You can see the operation, cleaning operation in the AC. The AC can inherently clean or clean of its own, and an ice will be formed in the indoor coil, and the coil gets an ice formation will be formed, and automatically ice starts melting, and all the dust which is accumulated in the indoor coil will be pushed out. That's why these sort of smart features will be available when you buy this Panasonic inverter AC. As per my theme is concerned, this AC is working well due to the smart features. Okay, if you have any issue, everything we can see the issue directly in the app rather than having an unqualified technician. Everything we can see directly in the app. So this app will help you a lot. Okay, what kind of problem is there in indoor, what kind of problem is there in outdoor. So if any experts come, or for example any problem is there, they have an USB connect type of connection to this AC. They can directly connect to USB and directly they can identify the problem. If the problem is identified, well, they can solve the problem. Or if they identified some component is malfunctioning, they will try to change that component. If they try to change that component, automatically here you can see here that component has been changed and still that product is under warranty, which will help the customer a lot to solve the problem better. Okay, so I generally I recommend you as an electrical engineer, better to buy an smart ACs like this. Okay, which will have a better feature, better service and better quality of the product. You can generally enjoy the content through the app. Everything you can, it's no need to turn on off your own, everything you can see here. So now you can see here, whenever it is in humidifier mode, it will try to make some cracking sound. Okay, so you can see the cracking sound which is made by the AC, and it will try to give an dangerous ice type of flow. Okay,